Next thing I got for Christmas, that again, I am not affiliated with. I just wanted to try it. The Ponyo. You guys, it actually works. I was like, this is gonna be stupid, but I thought, why not ask for it for Christmas? Because I've been wanting to try it. Very thin hair. Y'all have seen it when I wear a ponytail. It's awful. We all know I have like the worst ponytail and top knot. I'm working on it. This helped me have a thicker ponytail. I'll show you after I put it in. But it's just this. You put your hair through it, a normal ponytail holder, and you flatten your hair in it, and then you bend it in a circle. So it basically like doubles the circumference of your ponytail. Okay, hair is up. You can like pull it and adjust it. It's very tight. I could work out with this thing in. But you guys, look at that. Is that not the cutest stinking ponytail? And you could put it up higher, you could put it lower. You can do a top knot with it for the price. It's crazy. Y'all, I mean, I've never had a ponytail that looked that stinking thick before. It's so good. You're gonna wanna go out and get it, like now.